Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to put the text behind the person in CapCut. So first of all, we have to just import the media we're gonna use for these purposes. Okay, so let's say that we want to use this 5 seconds video, okay, of the working person. All right, so and now we want to add the text on top of it. Okay, so now we have to go and click text, and once we add text, we just need to go and drop this text inside our working area. Okay, here we can change the text, or we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, we can do whatever we want with this text. Let's say that we want to make it bigger, we want to make it bold, and everything else. What we can do with this text, depends what you like. Okay, so now this thing is actually in front of the person. But what we have to achieve is that this text will be behind the person, all right? So we have to go back for this purposes to our imported videos, okay? And now we have to move another video, okay, the same video but another layer, okay, on top of the text. So we got the original video, the first layer, then there is a text, and there is same video on top of the text, okay? So now you can see the text all together. Okay, so let's say that we want to make this adjustments that everything is aligned together. Okay, now when everything is aligned the way we like it, okay, what we have to do, we have to click on top of the video, okay, top of the top layer. Okay, make sure that this layer is been clicked first, and then we have to go to video, remove background, and we have to click auto removal. Okay, only human figures can be cut out for this for under this option. So when we click auto renewal removal, okay, you see that the text actually started to appear behind the person, and that's exactly what we wanted to achieve in this video. All right, so once again, let's go and play that video from the beginning, and let's say that we want to move that text a little further. Okay, and then we start the video, and now we see the text is starting to appear behind the person. That's exactly what we have what we want to achieve in this video. All right, so guys, I think that's all. If you have any comments, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please click the like button, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.